Hi, welcome to the Commercial Gas Engineer channel. We're looking at this Flexfiller automatic. It's quite an old pressurization unit. This pressurization unit is for the chilled water. You've got your part 2 ball valve there. And then down here we have our expansion vessel. And then we have our set point. Can make some adjustments here if I want to. I can tweak it a bit, make it a bit higher. The pump has come on now, that I've demanded more. And then this one here is the differential. Over here we have the low pressure. And then over here we have the high pressure. Yeah, high pressure and low pressure and the differential. And you can make your adjustments on the top. See your pump in there and your silver capacitor hiding behind it. Okay, thank you for joining me. Until next time, bye bye bye.